us start with plotting the individual signals. Okay, the first one 3 UT. So I choose blue. 3 UT. So it is a step input, but multiply by 3. Okay, so this is 3 UT. UT. Okay. Okay, the second one is RT. Okay, let's say I choose RT green, and there is no shift, so green. So it will be a RAM. This is RT. Ini pun tadi, the blue one. It actually continue lah. 3 UT. Okay, the second one is RT minus 1, meaning that it is shifted. Okay, shifted to the right kat sini. So saya pakai color. Let's say this one I choose, because dekat iPad ni I don't know how to add more colors lah. Dia tak ada hitam, biru, merah. So yellow lah. Okay, so yellow. Minus the slope is minus, meaning that is a negative slope, and then it is shifted. So we have this one shifted to the right. Sini. Betul Dah, let's say okay lah ni and then dots, continue, and this is minus R T minus 1. Okay, negative slope shifted to the right. Okay, finally we have minus 5, the negative 5 step input at T minus 2. Okay, so where shall it be? So class, any clue? Saya pilih what color? Red nanti yang kesemuanya hitam lah. Hitam lah saya pilih Okay, minus 1, minus at T 2, dia 5. Okay. The magnitude is 5. So this is minus 5, y minus 5, negative 5, the amplitude, and then u shifted to the right 2. Okay, so now that we have all the 4 individual components, we want to add everything. Okay, let's say I choose it red lah. Senang sikit nampak Okay, so the first one, dia dah, kalau kita tengok from 0 to 1, we have both 2 signals, the step and the ramp. So it is the meaning that the ramp is shifted at 3 kat sini lah. So here 3. Okay, here up until aku tak mau. Okay. Okay, so the red one is the XT, and then what happened? T. Okay, this is example yang masih kita write tadi lah. So bila dia this one and this one, dia cancel out. Okay, So they cancel out, but then we still have the step input. So what happened, class? Up until ni kita ada hijau, the green and the yellow will be cancelled out, but then we still have the blue. So here up until 2. And then what else we have? Masa 2. So 2 ni dah cancel. Now we only have the black. Okay, black and the amplitude is 5. So sekarang ni bila dia shifted just now, it is 4. So 4, so somewhere here lah. Okay, so this will be our final signal xt. Okay, any question? Okay, we have few minutes left. I just saya tutup yang ni. We go to the next topic, the functions of the signals, even and odd functions. I think we discussed earlier about odd and even signals. So a general signal is neither even nor odd, but have both even and odd components. So let's say we have a continuous signals. So there is a formulation for even and odd signals. So let's look what happened if I, okay. So for the, here, for the even signals, it will be half xt plus x minus t. Okay, this is the derivation why these equations come up. So I'm not going to explain that because it is mathematics. So you can go through what happened here. Okay? So it's talking about the final, the box formulation. So the even signals formulation, let's say we have a signal xt. So we want to find what is the even component of the signals. So it will be half xt plus x minus t. Why? Please look into this derivation. And then for odd, it will be half xt minus x minus t. So the difference is here, the plus and minus here. But both signal xt and x minus t. We're looking at xt and x minus, the reversal of the signal, plus the signal plus the reversal of the signal divided by 2 is even. The signals minus the reversal of the signal divided by 2 is odd. Okay. Okay. So so let us recap. A function is even. This is called even, and the function is odd. Okay, the function is even. The reversal, the one that I mentioned, reflection of the y-axis. Kalau odd ni dia deflect kepada y, and then the reflect lagi kepada x. So the odd is minus f minus t. So these are the formulations for even and odd just now. Okay. So this one, there is an examples here in terms of calculations. So since we have time, 9:41, never mind. Okay. So we have a signal here, xt cos xt cos t sin t cos t sin t. Okay, and then to determine the odd and even, we have to find the reversal of the signals. Okay, remember, for even, both signal plus reversal divided by 2. For odd, signal minus reversal divided by 2. So first step is to get the reversal of the signals. So all t has to be replaced with minus t. So x minus t will be cos minus t sine plus sine minus t plus cos minus t sine minus t. And then due to the concept of even and odd, we know that cos minus t and cos t will be equal. Okay, because cos is even signals, kan? And then sine minus t equal to minus sine t will be equal. Okay, so remember last week's punya class. So we bear in mind with this equation. So let us look at the both even and odd components. So the first one, let us look at the even components. So half the signal cos t, sin t, cos t here. This is the signal, and plus the reversal of the signal. So reversal cos t minus sin t, and then minus cos t sin t. Why I get this cos t? So you kena tengok the apa? This one. What does this call? Cosine function formulation. You have to remember this one lah. Kalau cos A cos B equal to half cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Kalau sin A and B dia minus plus. Okay, so to get this one, you kena buat lah. So I don't think I will explain this one. You can do it later. Any question? Bila kita simplify, we got this one x cos t, this one will be sin t plus cos t sin t. By applying the cosine rule, sine cosine rule just now. Any question for this one? Can I proceed? Plus? Okay.
Yes.
And doctor.
Okay. So even and odd. Okay. So I have exercise here, tapi dah ada jawapan. Okay. So all this sepatutnya kalau face to face, I ask student to do in class lah. Tapi tak apa, dah ada jawapan di sini. So please try without looking at examples, and then apply these red boxes here. So you should come up with the answer here lah. Okay, so boleh try. Okay, let us look another one. This one is in terms of equation, just now. This one all in terms of equation. So basically, we want to find the even and odd. We just get the reversal signal first, and then applying the even and odd signals equations. So even, again, signal plus reversal divided by 2, odd signal minus reversal divided by 2. And then apply the all sine and cosine rule. Okay, now what if we have a signal in terms of graph? Okay, so for example, this one, the top one is actually the signal. Okay, kalau kita tengok signals ni, dia ada dia panggil suatu signal. Lepas tu dia ada input, dia ada apa? Tambah di situ. Kalau kita tengok -1, so I think okay, given the signal has the equation for the signal is given. So find even and odd components of a sawtooth pulse figure A. So given that ft is 2 plus t for minus t to t, it is actually 2 plus t. So you all semua dah familiar dengan signal, and why it is 2, and then why it is plus t and so forth. So the fact is that the signal is only 2 plus t between -1 and 1, and elsewhere it is 0. Okay. So how do we find and sketch the even and odd components of the signals? So first, let us get the equation. Let us get the equation first. Okay. So the even signal, the even is signal plus reversal of the signal divided by 2. So we don't, we only concentrate on the signal between -1 and 1, but elsewhere it is 0. So the signal is 2 plus t, and then the reversal is 2 minus t. Okay, so signal plus reversal divided by 2, and then 2 plus 2, 4, t minus t cancel out, 4 divided by 2 will be 2. So this is the even of the above signals, the even signal of the above signals. So what happened to the odd? Odd is signal minus reversal divided by 2. So signal 2 plus t minus the reversal 2 minus t, and then 2 minus 2, 0, t plus t will be 2t divided by 2, which will be t. Okay, so for between -1 to 1, so this is the odd signal of the above. Any question? Understand? Understood? Okay. Seorang je yang asyik tunjuk tangan, yang lain tak tahu. Okay. Okay, we proceed with the exercise. Okay, now I have the exercise. I need you to put this one. Okay, Takif. Takif berapi. Okay. So we try to have the signals. Okay. I need you to do it in Padlet. So we have the remaining times. Okay, sketch the even and odd components of the signal. Okay, your time start now. Sekarang pukul berapa? So I will check dekat Padlet. Please do it at Padlet. There are many ways. Either you do it by equation and then draw, ataupun you put side by side the xt and x minus t. So remember last time we learned about, I think the same signal kan kita buat reversal. So put side by upper on top of the other, this xt and then x minus t, and then do it apa? The equation lah. Even dia kena plus divide by 2, odd dia kena minus divide by 2. Understand what I mean? Okay. Saya pergi exercise. Tak ada ruang exercise one. So one way of doing it, and then you have the signal. Okay, draw the signal xt, then with the time frame, the time minus 210, and then you draw another signal which is the reversal of the signal. You learn about the reversal last week. So okay, draw the reversal of the signal. And then for odd, even, odd, you add up lah. Okay. That is one way of doing. Tapi kena tengok by sini frame by frame lah. Between minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Boleh? Kalau the signal. What be the reversal class? Kita buat semalam kan? Sini ke kita buat? Lain sikit. So lebih kurang this one lah. Ni kita buat reversal ke? No, this not. Yang mana yang exercise reversal tu last time? Inilah kan?
Number 4 ini.
Number 4. Number 4 kan sini. Tapi kenapa dia punya point ni lain? -2, -1. Signal asal tak ada. Okay. Yeah. -4. Question number 4. So this one, what will be the reversal? There will be sampai -2 lah. Kan? Okay. So add up for the even and odd. Even half xt plus x minus t. Odd will be half xt minus reversal. Oops. Okay. So you do by frame by frame lah. Okay. So please put everything, the exercise in your Padlet. I will go through. Tak kat sini So I will go through. Okay, Ang dah buat. Ang buat yang this is exercise number 3, plotting So everything please put it this here, and I will keep getting the notification. I will check on it. Okay? Any question, class? So next week we will start a new chapter on system.